Naledi Apiwe says, I genuinely don't care who wins Big Brother as long as it's not Uthandeka. And we have seen from her last post regarding the Big Brother that she highly supports Uliema. They used to work together. They once did a song together. And I didn't know that them working together actually matured into a friendship. So it's something that we didn't know. But it's nice to see her supporting her friend and her former colleague, right? So when it comes to Uthandeka, people genuinely feel like it will be between Thandeka and Liema who wins Big Brother, because they are the only two people who have the strongest fan base in all social media platforms. You are talking TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X, everywhere is just Thandeka this, Thandeka that, and it's voting week, guys, and I hope you guys are going to vote. But she clearly does not like Uthandeka, because she has once said after Uliema stole Thandeka's wig that umlaile, because Thandeka seems to be, in my opinion, a kind of like passive aggressive with her words. She's kind of giving me like emotional abuse. There are a lot of people who have complained in the house that Thandeka's behavior is kind of like taking a toll on them emotionally. Some have cried, talking about mental breakdowns because of Uthandeka's behavior towards them, and it's also giving like a mean girl. Like, I feel like Uthandeka is someone who was like a bully in school. Like, yes, she doesn't take nonsense, but there's a difference between someone who's disrespectful and someone who is a straight talker. A straight talker is not disrespectful, but a straight talker will tell you things the way it is without filter, but they will also keep your dignity and your honor and have respect when they're talking to you. That's the difference. Even though she has a huge fan base, she is a main character, don't get me wrong. She made her mark in the Big Brother house, and now she has big people like Naledi Apiwe not wanting her to touch the 2 million. But let's be real, she definitely earned her title like of main character in the Big Brother house. A lot of people don't watch Big Brother, but this is the season where even like big people like G, like a lot of big people are so invested in Big Brother. I don't even watch Big Brother, but I watch it because of Uthandeka. Like, I was drawn towards Uthandeka at first. Every season will have a main character. In this season, fortunately, it's not unfortunately, fortunately, it's Uthandeka, and Naledi does not seem to roll with her. And I want to believe it's because of the way she is, the way she speaks to people, and the way she handles herself in the house. Yeah, so that's my own opinion, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.